is going to Satanapalli, my grandmother's house. Please see the video. This is my hometown. This is the view of turning of Sirpuram to Satanapalli. Guys, going to Satanapalli, turning off Kotturu. Let's meet in Satanapalli bus stop.